Contract manufacturing. Overview, agreements and advantages. Introduction. This article takes an in-depth look at contract manufacturing. Read further to learn more about topics such as: what is contract manufacturing? Contract manufacturing agreement and arrangements. Advantages and disadvantages of contract manufacturing. Non-disclosure agreement in contract manufacturing. Choosing the right contract manufacturer. Industries that utilize contract manufacturing. And much more. Chapter 1. What is contract manufacturing? Contract manufacturing industry groups. Chapter 2. What are contract manufacturing agreements and arrangements? Manufacturing contract. Component manufacturing. Private label manufacturing. Labor subcontracting. Contract manufacturing for the use of equipment and facility. Electronic contract manufacturing. Short-term contract manufacturing. Chapter 3. What are the advantages and disadvantages of contract manufacturing? Cost benefits of contract manufacturing. Benefits from economies of scale. Increased focus on core competencies. Higher product quality and manufacturing efficiency. Enhanced responsiveness to fluctuating product demand. Optimized lead times and global supply chain management. Maintaining control and ensuring flexibility. Opportunities for global market expansion. Threat to proprietary information and intellectual property. Hidden and variable outsourcing costs. Cultural differences, communication, and regulatory risks. Chapter 4. What is the role of a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, in contract manufacturing? There are two primary types of non-disclosure agreements. Unilateral non-disclosure agreement. Mutual non-disclosure agreement. The key elements of a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, include names of the parties to the agreement, scope of confidentiality obligations, exclusions from the confidentiality treatment, disclosure consequences, terms of the agreement. Chapter 5. How do you choose the right contract manufacturer? ISO 9001 certification. Facilities. Ability to meet production demands and quality requirements. Reputation in the industry. Technical competence. Location of the contract manufacturer. Chapter 6. Which industries utilize contract manufacturing? The following are the industries that utilize contract manufacturing. Electronics industry. Metal fabrication industry. Plastics and rubber industry. Chemical industry. Automotive and aerospace industries. Pharmaceutical industry. Medical industry. Food industry. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right contract manufacturer for your needs.